Understanding the basic syntax and structure of a Java program. Hello and welcome to this introduction to Java programming. In this video, we'll explore the basic syntax and structure of a Java program. Whether you are completely new to programming or just new to Java, this video will help you get started with writing your first Java code. So let's dive right in. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language that's widely used for building applications across different platforms. The key feature of Java is its write once, run anywhere capability, which means you can write your code on one platform and run it on any other platform without modification. The first thing you will notice in the line public class, my first program. In Java, all code must be inside a class. The public keyword is an access modifier, which makes the class accessible from anywhere in your program. The word class is used to declare a class, followed by the class name, which in this case is my first program. The class name should always start with an uppercase letter, and it should match the name of the file. This is the entry point of any Java application. When you run a Java program, the main method is the first thing that gets executed. Let's break it down. Public, this means the method is accessible from anywhere. Static, this allows the method to be called without creating an instance of the class. Void, this indicates that the method does not return any value. String args, this is an array of strings that stores command line arguments. This line of code prints the text hello world to the console. Let's break it down. System is a class provided by Java. Out is a static member of the system class, which represents the standard output stream, usually the console. Printin is a method of out which prints the text and moves the cursor to a new line. The string hello world is the argument we pass to the printin method, and it's enclosed in double quotes because it's a string literal. You will also notice that the Java uses curly braces to define blocks of code. The class my first program starts with an opening curly brace and ends with a closing curly brace. Similarly, the main method also has its own pair of curly braces. This structure helps define the scope of your code, meaning which part of the code belongs to the class and which part belongs to the method. Class, every Java program must have at least one class, and the file name should match the class name. Main method, this is where the program starts execution. It must be defined exactly as public static void main string args. Statements, code inside the main method is executed line by line. This simple structure is the foundation of every Java program. Once you have written your Java program, the next step is to compile and run it. Java code is written in .java files. You can compile the code using the java command, which starts the Java Virtual Machine JVM to execute your program. To recap, in this video we have covered the basic syntax and structure of a Java program. We have looked at how to define a class, the importance of main method, and how to write simple output statements. With this understanding, you are ready to start experimenting with your own Java programs and gradually build up your skills.